Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to protect your images from being right-click saved and downloaded. So here's how you can do it. Click on your Wix gallery element and on the action bar above, go to Settings. On this small window, you should see something that says Prevent Right-Clicking on Media. Make sure that this is enabled or toggled on. Once you do that, users will not be able to right click on your media and therefore will not be able to save or download your images. Once you set that up, your changes will automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony Editor, and you should be good to go. That's all for now, guys. We hope today's video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.